In this video, we're going to go over how to upload a campaign into Google that is already built out in an Excel file. So when you get a campaign, it's a new campaign, and you want to upload it, what you're going to want to have is a file, is two tabs in an Excel file, or two Excel files, one for keywords and one for ad copy. The bare minimum columns you're going to want for keyword are campaign, ad group, keyword, and criterion type or match type. There may be additional columns like final URL and bid, but these are the bare minimum you're going to need in all cases. In the ad copy file, the bare minimum you're going to want is campaign, ad group, headline 1, headline 2, description, and final URL. So what we're going to do, and it doesn't matter which order we do this in, whether we do keyword or ad copy, but we'll start with keywords in this case. Again, this can be done through the AdWords interface, but it's much more difficult. You have to build out a bulk file. It's much simpler to do through the AdWords editor. We're going to go into AdWords editor. This is a blank account. And when you create it, even though we're creating a new campaign, we don't have to create the campaign first. What we can do is we can upload keywords of the ad copy, and it will, if it doesn't have a campaign match, it will create the campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this. We're going to copy it. We're going to go in here. We're going to go keywords, because we got keywords. We're going to hit keywords here. We're going to go make multiple changes. We're going to paste. In this case, we have my data includes columns for campaigns and ad groups. Verify our headers, campaign, ad group, keyword, criterion type. It's a match. We're going to hit process. We're adding 1 campaign, 20 ad groups, and 223 keywords. Finish and review changes. And then what we'll do is we'll keep this. Now we're going to upload the ad copy. So we're going to go ads, expanded text ads. I'm going to go down here to our Excel file, ad copy, highlight everything we have. We're going to copy. We're going to go back to AdWords editor, make multiple changes, just like we did with keywords, paste. Again, my data includes columns for campaigns and ad groups, campaign, ad group, headline 1, headline 2, description, and final URL. These all match the headers we wanted. Process. Okay, in this case, we added 60 expanded text ads. We're going to finish and review changes. We're going to keep. Now, since we didn't create the campaign separately, we're going to want to verify all of our campaign settings. We're going to go into campaigns, click on the campaign community, the campaign we just uploaded, and verify all of our settings below. Set the daily budget, verify the campaign name, campaign type, typically search network, include search partners, bid strategy, device bid adjustments if we're starting with any, ad rotation. Our typical ad rotation is going to be rotate indefinitely. Our standard delivery method is, or typically we'll start with standard. And you can change some of these targeting methods as well. You've got people in searching for or viewing pages about my targeted location. Again, that's the standard. The most important ones we're going to change in this is the ad rotation will always default to optimize for clicks, and we always run rotate indefinitely. And the campaign type, just verify that it's going to be search network only. And then what you can do is you can go here and post. Here we see an error, so let's cancel and look for the error. I think it's because we don't have bids. We don't have a daily budget. Okay, so we do have to make sure and set a daily budget. Just again, look for the errors. We'll set a daily budget. And then I believe we need bids also. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into ad groups. We can view all of our ad groups, and we're just going to set an ad group bid of $1 in this case. $1 is a pretty standard starting point for bidding. And then we'll post. Now we're all cleared up, we can hit the post button. In cases where we're adding this into an account that already has campaigns, what we're going to want to do is look for, if we don't have campaign settings or bid data, what we're going to want to do is look at other campaigns to see how they're set up, to see if search partners are on, to see what campaign type, to see what the ad rotation settings and what the delivery method settings and device bid adjustments are. And for bidding, same thing. It's pretty standard to start bids at the ad group level. And again, you're going to want to look at other similar campaigns or ad groups if you don't have a specified bid. Typically, we'll have a specified bid when we in the campaign build out.